What we drinking?
It's F28, baby.
Free the fucking guys, plugged in with Fumes the engineer. Booter B, F block, slip and get a headshot. If I get the green light, turn that red one, bell in the head, I'm ready to slap. First pagan that I slap, got one in his hat. Got one in his back, third one that I slap, got one in his hat. Pissed he didn't get packed. You ain't ever blasted your pagans, how the fuck do you jump on beats and rap? I'm a F block veteran, up block nightmare. How many man did I slap for my sections? Got a face shot, I left it taped off, whole block covered with German shepherds. I got the drop unattended, 2 minutes later, got peppered. The ops can't rap about my block, F block stabbed up most their members. Got stabbed up, 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 got stabbed up. How many man of the man them severed? On the glide, no half up bootings. 2 times that I've shot man's melon. Heard you wanted to rap roll, turn that pack, now his music's pending. You ain't done no draws on my block. Name me a boot and you did just one thing. I'm far from Jamaican, corn start blazing, shoulders fling. I ain't bringing the orders in, only bringing this big revolver in. I got princess cuts in my ring, man got caught and cut with my ching. Get me the drop roll up, no questions. Got a chest shot left in intensive. Pop should've died but he ran for his life. Me and M hot talk, 2 Rambos blending. Gang ain't giving out leg shots, 2 chest shots might end him. Little bro stepped out for the kill that day, same day that ended. Little bro stepped out for the kill that day. Got killed that day. Dead boy. His little bro got turned off. That's the reason he feels that way. I hit the charts on my tape. I've slapped 3 of your bros with a gauge. I hit my target ages ago. Had drug squad kicking off doors on grades. Popped out the ride, 2 burners matching. I've shot man on camera. None of my rap ain't cap or acting. Go ask him who slapped him. Ask him. Got butchered. Any works that Booter's been on. 10 out of 10 that works disgusting. Got slapped in the pumpkin. Got shot, had him hard, him shaking. G jumped out, had the party jumping. Heard that the music shit, though bro jumped out, started dumping. Everyone's gang told Osman hop out. He was on job till we made him hop off. I was in a 516 in a G-lock. I was in a 2-2 bells and a dot. Got shot in his wig and his head got knocked off. Then the one got dropped off. GR heard there's a birthday party. Same day that birthday got locked off. Same day. Locked off.
Let me get your POV after this gang.
Yeah, no worries, bud.